Hi there, my name's Stuart. I have a 1956 Cadillac. I'm now going to start a major repair and a big build on it. Lots of welding to be done, lots of stuff to be done, trust me. But anyway, I'm going to see how we go. I'm going to film as much as I can and just take you through my build. Under this cover is my 1956 Cadillac. And I will be rebuilding this, as I've just said on my previous little video, and I shall show you and keep you updated on how I go. So anyway, my first job today is going to be taking off this exterior trim, which goes all the way along there, and once I get that off, I can see what damage is underneath on the metalwork side. Okay, right, I've just crawled underneath, right, and I've just started to angle grind. As you can see, these well rusted in screws, and there was no chance they were going to come undone as easy as that. So I've now just grinded off the screws. Okay, as I said in my last little bit, just ground the screws off. I've now just freed the external trim, and you won't believe how much rust has just fallen off. But I won't go into that anyway. Anyway, it's not looking great. But anyway, I shall be back on the outside and showing you what the seal looks on the outside. Okay, as you can see, external trim is now off. I'm now going to go and have a look down the seal and see what kind of mess we've got. Well, here we go. It's looking, as you can tell, rusty. Oh, look. There's an air hole, breather, and loads of bad area around this bit. And I'm trying to keep it as still as possible. And we'll work our way down. And looking at it, it's not looking great at all. But anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to fabricate everything, because we don't live in America. And these things aren't on the shelf if we go to Euro parts and things like that. So anyway, I will show you, I'll do a next step coming up. Okay, right, anyway, so my first job will be rebuilding the seal on this side. I don't know, pointing the right way. Rebuilding the seal along here and the inside of the seal as well. Everything's going to have to be fabricated myself. As you can see from the first start of the seal, this little bit's pretty good, so I'm going to save that for now. But as you look, it just gets worse and worse and worse. So I'm working my way down to about that section there. I'm going to cut this bit out first anyway, and get underneath and do a bit more angle grinding and see what I can find. Okay, right, I've just decided that I found a box. This is the box. Pretty big box. Now I'm going to keep this box and see if I can fill this box up with what I've just dug out. Well, there's going to be a lot more than this anyway. There's only a little bit of rust, so it's going to take me a while. That's a joke. I'm going to see at the end of this build how full this box is going to get. Okay, right, I've just cut out a large section of the seal, going down to about that far. And as you can see, only a little bit of rust has come off, so that's pretty good. I like that. As the bit of the well, what's left of the seal anyway. All I've got to do now is just to start tidying up, and I can find out actually what bit I can weld to and what more I have to cut out. Anyway, I've still got to work my way all the way down to the back wheel, cutting that bit off. Okay, right, I've just had a sweep up of what I've just cut off, and all that bit of rust what was on the floor. Just had a good sweep up. Started my first box collection of metal. Well, here we go. From that little bit I've just cut off, this is how much excitement I got from it. It's pretty deep, and so far I'm not even a quarter of the way so far. Anyway, this box, I'm going to fill it, I'm sure. Right, just squeezed underneath, just having a look at what I've just cut out and what's behind it. Now, it's not looking too bad. I could imagine it could have been a lot better for me, then it wouldn't have been so much hard work anyway. But I've just come from just under the passenger door, working my way along, and I noticed on the inside there is a section, which is looking pretty good, and I'm going to copy that all the way down there to give me a bit of structure, because as you can see, what's behind it on the inner seal is not looking too great. I'll come underneath and I will show you the inner seal. Hopefully this is coming through. So also I've still got to fabricate the inner back seal and get that sorted. Okay, right, just making my way down the second section, which I'm starting to do now, down to the rear wheels. It is not looking good at all. I've got about that far, working my way along, so I'm going to have to now cut all this section out as well, which is a shame because it looks pretty good to me. Not really. Anyway, let me get this done and I'll be back. Right, back on again, a bit of filming, and I've now gone through and cut right back to, I just left a little bit what's good just before the rear arch and cutting it all out. Gotta do a lot of fabricating, unfortunately, but I just thought I'd just show you that. Plus I've also got an update on my box. Right, this is the box. I have done a bit of sweeping while I've been cutting out the second half of the seal, and I've just found, I think, half of my car in the seal. We are up to at least, I would say, quarter of a box of just old car. It is absolutely, and it absolutely weighs a ton. There must be a good few kilos worth of metal in there. Well, was metal. Anyway, I shall be updating you on the box a little bit later on.